Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidima of Noelin Beauty Empire. In case you are new here, you are highly welcome. And for my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in back. So in today's video, I want to show you how I make my bubble breast wig. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. As you can see, I'm using Brazilian wool. And before I start, I measured the length of the hair I'm going to use. So I'm going in for 22 to 24 inches. So I measured about 48 inches long of the wool. Then I start wrapping it on the chair like this, but later I discovered it was so stressful because I needed something to keep the chair on while I rolled the hair on the legs. So I decided to use my leg as the anchor for the wrapping of the rolling of the wool. That's right, Brazilian wool. Then afterward, this is what it looks like. Then I'll go ahead and cut it into two. So for this hairstyle, you need to use a full-length wig. I'm using a full-length wig. This is a canicolon full-length wig made by me, of course. So I start by parting the full-length wig from the middle. I part it into two equal parts from the middle. Then on each part, I pre-braided the hair. I like to pre-braid the hair so I know what I have a view or a taste of what the braid will look like. If it is too small, I will reduce it. If it is too large, I will know. So I will know how to amend it before I start the braiding proper. So as I already parted the hair into two equal parts, I will start pre-braiding the hair. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. I will come back again and talk to you guys. Keep watching.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit.
So at the end, I got 13 braids on each side. That's total of 26 braids. So I'll proceed to making the bubble braids. So for making the bubble braids, I will start with knotless braids. So I want the root to look as natural and thin as possible. That's why I want to use knotless braids method. Okay, so for the knotless braid method, as you are seeing on the video, I parted each braid, each hair into thread and then start braiding it the way I'm showing you. But this method is not necessary. If you can braid all the way without using comb to part it, I did it so it will be easy because the hair is bulk big. It's a jumbo size. I did it that way so it will be big. It will help me to hold the hair firmly while I braid the hair. Okay, so I start I'll do this knotless braids. It depends on the size you want, so I'm not going to tell you the amount how I added the hair or the amount of hairs I added. No, it is based on what you want. If you want it bigger, you can go ahead and add more wool. So in total, this wool comes like in strands. If you look very well, it comes in strands. So I use on each braid, I use total of 20 strands to form one bubble braid. So you can use more than that. So I don't want you to stress more on the amount of the hair I use on each bubble braid. You can, if you want it bigger, you can add more hair. If you want it smaller, you can add more hair. So as I'm braiding along the line somewhere, I use a strand of the wool to knot the hair where I want the braids to stop. Then I start from there to form the bubbles like I'm doing here. For the bubble here, I'm using a strand of the braiding hair, or a strand of the hair I'm braiding, to knot the hair to form the bubble like so. I continue again. I collect another strand from the same braids to knot the hair and to form a bubble. I'll continue doing that, but I don't like this method. You see the next method I will show you. This method I don't too like it. I was trying different things to see the ones that will be better and easier for me, but this first one I do not enjoy doing it. I don't like it, but I just want to show you so that you see and choose for yourself the method you prefer better. So this is me forming the braids. You can see the way I'm forming the braid is very simple, nothing too special or too difficult about it. You just use a strand of hair, not the part you want the bubble to form. That's it. You can pull out the hair little to form a bigger bubble. Then continue, proceed to the next. You could keep on knotting the hair like this until you get to the last. Once I get to the last, I knot the last part. Then the remaining hair I will braid it to the end. Then I knot it to secure the ends. That's all. So once I knot it to the last part, I cut off the excess lace and I cut off the excess hair. That's all.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
This is the second method I want to show you. I start by the knotless braids, of course. I braid it to some point, then knot it and start forming the bubbles. So but for this particular one, unlike the first one I showed you, this particular one, I started forming the bubble by introducing a new strand of hair to tie the bubble. Okay, instead of using the a strand from the hand braiding to form and tie the bubble, I use a different strand of hair. Collect another strand of hair to tie the bubble. This one is so easy for me, no issue. I like this pattern more than the first one that I use a strand from the hair and braiding to tie the knot bubble. I prefer this one. So guys, thank you for coming back. For my old subscribers, thank you so much. And if you are new to this channel and you love what you see so far, please consider subscribing. Okay, so guys, please like this video if you enjoy watching this video. If you find this video helpful, like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in ordering a wig from me, please do check the description box. I will put a link below in the description box, the column that says to order a wig, to order any of my products, be it closures, frontals, fullest wig, braided wig of any type. I will be available to take your order. Thank you guys, keep watching. I will come back again and talk to you, but before then, I'm only showing you this one. Now since I've shown you how I form the bubbles, right? So no need of showing you everything. You have seen how I parted the hair, you have seen how I formed the bubble. So after this particular braid, now I will show you the final results. Okay, so in case you'll be wondering if the hair will be heavy, no, the hair is super lightweight. It is very, in fact, it's the lightest hair wig I have seen so far. It's super lightweight, so don't worry about the weight. It's super lightweight. Thank you for watching. Keep watching to the end to see the outcome of this braid wig. So you rate it at the end. Please keep watching and don't forget to hit the like button, please. It's very important you like the video so that it will make other people to make YouTube to show it to other people. Once you like the video, YouTube will notice that you people are enjoying the content. It will now push the video to more viewers on audience. Okay, please like, and if you have not subscribed, please, I'm begging you, subscribe and watch till the last. Okay, so you will see the outcome. Talk to you again later. So guys, this is the finished result. This is what the hair looks like after braiding it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Did you learn anything from this? If you have any question, as usual, drop it in the comment section. I will answer your question. Let me know what you think about this wig. Is it something you would like to wear? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig. This is what it looks like on a mannequin head. I will show you what it looks like on my own head. So in case you don't know, this cap. The cap I use for this wig is size small, size 21 inches, and the length is 22 to 24 inches. So this is what it looks like on me. Let me know what you think, your thoughts are about this wig, about this style. Is this something you would like to rock? Is this something you would love to say wear? Let me know in the comment section. Again, if you're interested in ordering a wig from me, please don't forget to check the description box. I'll put the link to my WhatsApp in the description box. Check the column in the description box that says to order a wig. So thank you guys for sticking with me till this moment. Please, if you love this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, comment, like, share, and if you have not subscribed to this moment, please subscribe. Okay, bye.